In an attempt to strengthen the vulnerable alliance with the People's Party government, the Muttahida Qawmi movement carried out a massive rally against PMLN in Karachi. 2 days after the PMLN staged the first showdown against PPP in Lahore, the MQM brought thousands of people out on the roads under the theme of strength and democracy. Addressing the rally via telephone, MQM Chief Altaf Hussain condemned the derogatory remarks used against President Zardari.
और वो जरदारी गो के नारे लगाए हैं, वो जरदारी गो तो आज का ठाटे मारता हुआ ये समंदर, वो जरदारी गो नहीं, नो शरीफ बिरादरान, नो।
He said MQM is united against the conspiracies being hatched to derail the democratic system. Altaf also saved the opportunity to highlight the hardships faced by President Zardari during his 11 years in prison.
उनको तो उल्टा लटकाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, बस 15 दिन के लिए जेल में रखो, रो रो कर, गड़गड़ा कर, नेलों के पैरों में पड़कर, अपनी नामा लिखकर, जेल से बाहर होकर जद्दा भाग जाते हैं। आप लटकाने की बात करते हो, तो जेल में उस वक्त जब शरीफ बिरादरान कुछ दिनों के लिए जेल में थे, तो इनके सेलों में रात को रोने की आवाजें आती थी।
The MQM chief challenged the Sharif brothers to take out such a massive rally in Karachi to show its roots among the masses. Altaf Hussain also ruled out mid-term elections, saying that PMLN will have to wait till the next elections as the PPP government will complete its tenure.
When PMLN hit PPP hard with full force, it was MQM that leapt to its rescue, leaving the ruling PPP to trail behind its coalition partner. Express 24/7 Sabeen Agha is telling us about how MQM's sustained democracy rally in Karachi brought two former political opponents together.
PPP hands in hands with MQM are not a rare sight, but it is unusual indeed. Leaders of PPP heaved a sigh of relief when MQM's rally came to its rescue in a befitting manner against PMLN. And it indeed took its full advantage. PPP's Agha Siraj Durrani and Pir Mazharul Haq, waving fists in air, roared emotionally at MQM's rally as if rolling sleeves against PMLN to knock it down politically.
अल्ताफ भाई और आसिफ अली जरदारी साहब एक हैं। सिंध में जब तक अल्ताफ भाई हमारे साथ हैं कहीं भी नजर नहीं आएंगे। आपके अंदर इतनी ताकत है तो आओ कराची में ऐसा जलसा करके दिखाओ। भाई का फर्ज है कि अपने भाई पे और जो अल्लाह के करम से सदर ममलिकत भी है, जो पाकिस्तान की रियासत का निशान भी है, सिंबल भी है, उनके ऊपर अगर कोई इस किस्म के रकीक हमले करे तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ये सिर्फ भाई होते हैं सके जो उस पे तड़पते हैं।
But it wasn't only the leaders of PPP who were overrun by emotions. Watch what MQM's overwhelmed Haider Abbas Rizvi did.
ये थे MQM के सीनियर, पीपल्स पार्टी के सीनियर वजीर पीर मजहरुल हक साहब।
40 days period to mourn Nusrat Bhutto barred PPP from hitting PMLN hard themselves, as they have suspended all kind of political activities during this period, leaving them to follow its coalition partner. MQM's sustained democracy rally, a political ring set to knock out PMLN's Go Zardari Go rally, indeed brought leaders of PPP, MQM and PMLQ, often at daggers drawn at each other, together at one platform. Sabeen Agha, Express 24/7, Karachi.